Hello everyone, this is Satya Prakash. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to deserialize JSON from file in C Sharp. So guys, before going through this video, please visit my C Sharp video, that is what is the private constructor and shield class to block the inheritance in C Sharp. So this kind of tutorial you will get in my playlist called C Sharp Advanced Tutorial. So this is the basic thing. So after then you'll go for the how to deserialize JSON from file, that is .json file in C Sharp. So guys, I have created I'll show you what are the steps to. So first one is create console application. Second is what is JSON.NET NuGet package. Third step is how to create a JSON file, and fourth step is how to deserialize JSON using JSON.NET. So guys, here I have created one console application called console app one. Okay, and there basic thing is we need to add the NuGet package, that is JSON.NET. Okay, so how to add? Just right click on the solution, manage NuGet package for solution. Okay, and I already have installed, that is the Newton software JSON file. If you don't have, you should install by browse your this package and install it. So once you install, you should expand your references folder, and you will get that there is Newton soft.json file, DL file is present here. Okay, so go to third step is we should create a console application. Already have console app one. Okay, so console app one, I have created one C class file, that is block site.cs. So in block sites.cs we have three properties. One is name, gender, and date. Okay, so once you created these properties in block sites.cs file, you should go to your program.cs file. Okay, and in program.cs file, what we will do is, you can see there is, I have added this to access this block sites properties. I have added this namespace, that is console of one, and to add the features of JSON.NET NuGet package, I have added this namespace, that is using Newtons of .json. So guys, here I have added three uh, two ways I'll show you how to deserialize. First one is static JSON file, and second one I'll show you how to add this your file name, and there you should get the C# objects by deserialize the JSON file. Okay, so guys, here what I'll do is I just uh, add in the void main method. I have added the string JSON, and this is the JSON file. This is the JSON string. Okay, so JSON string will be C# will be looking like this at the red double quote, and this is the property name I mentioned. So same property what you have defined here. So three properties should be matched with your string JSON of strings, right? Name, gender, and date. I have added the values for name Satya Prakash, gender is male, and date is, this is the date. So here I have declared the instantiate the my block site.cs file. So here block sites, this is the object of this class file, JSON convert deserialize object, and the pass this block sites class and the JSON string I have passed here. Okay, so in the console.write line for name, gender, and date, it will show this value accordingly. Okay, so this name is I'm getting from this JSON, and accordingly this value and gender value and date values. So let's run our application. So start with the debugging. So guys, here I can see that my output is name is Satya Prakash, gender is male, and date is this one as expected here. Okay, so next is I'll show you, that is instead of creating this JSON string manually, starting JSON string, we should add your data.json of file name. Okay, so here what I need to do is I just comment this line. Okay, and instead I put your breakpoint here. So save these changes. Okay guys, so this is the we need to add this class and this file name. So this file name where I need to add. So here I have added this file name data.json. If you right click on it, open with notepad. So this is the thing I have added in data.json: name Nitin and gender date. So this values is showing for name Nitin Patra, male is gender is male and date is 1987 8 okay. So this is my data.json. This is the path I have added my data.json file. So in my code what I've done is you just instantiate the class using the object and json convert, and this is the deserialized json uh, up to specify .NET type. So this is the class name I have mentioned, block sites, that is this one. And inside I have added this file. Okay, so this file class is it is the starting method for creation, copying and deleting, moving and opening a single file. So that is coming from file stream objects. Okay, so for that you need to add this system.io namespace. So this file has one method, that is read all text. It opens a text file, read all lines of files, and then closes the file. So inside I have added the path of my data.json. Okay, that is this one. So up to then what I've done is console.write line same content, and it will get this name properties and values from this data.json. Okay, so I have added the breakpoint here. So I need to start with the debugging. Okay, so guys, here I am getting the output. Okay, name Nitin Patra, gender male, and date is 1987. So this value reading from this data.json file. Okay, so we'll check once the debugging. So here I have add the breakpoint. So we'll check values. Okay, okay, that is the debug. Okay, so now debug is starting. And what I'll do is I just F10, I'll put my F10 here. Okay, so you can see the breakpoint is coming down, and I can get this object values. So you see date is 1987 8, gender male, name is Nitin Patra. So these values reading from this data.json file. Okay, so if you will try this things here, so go to quick watch. So here you can see these values. Okay, this is the JSON string. So if you open it, you can see the JSON string which we have created. So in this way we can check these JSON objects and reading the properties from JSON file. Okay, and accordingly we can send this value uh, to this JSON console.write line. So name is Nitin Patra, gender is male, and date is 1987-88. Okay, so continue. Okay, so now what I'll do, we'll again check the output. Okay, debug, start with the debugging. So I can see the output, name Nitin Patra, gender is male, and date 1987. So in this way we can deserialize the JSON from in C#, and that is the deserialization from the file. Okay, so guys, I already have shown you that is how to deserialize JSON from a string and from a JSON file, that is the which you have created in your system. So this is the simple console application how to deserialize the JSON from file in C#, and there is few definitions I've added using JSON.NET. So what is JSON.NET is a third-party library which helps to conversation between JSON text and .NET objects using JSON serializer. So this serialization converts the .NET objects into their JSON equivalent text and back again by mapping the .NET object property names to JSON property names. So it is a open source software and free for commercial purposes. So what is serialization? Serialization is it converts a custom .NET type to a JSON string. What is deserialization? What I have shown you. Okay, this is a deserialization functionality I have implemented. So it in deserialization it is the opposite of serialization, which converts JSON string to a custom .NET objects. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.